आयज आमी आसात शिवोलच्या ब्रिजा पोंदा आनी तुमी म्हाज्या फाटल्यान पळोवंक शकतात इतली सुणी हांगा एकठांय जाल्ली आसा. ती सद्दी ह्याच टायमार हांगा एकठांय जातात कारण तांकां खबर आसा तांची गॉड मदर ह्याच टायमार हांगा येता. Hi ma'am, so nice to have you.
Thank you.
So how many years have you been feeding dogs?
About 9 years now. I started off with just about 20 and some dogs that I'd found that had puppies, and then during lockdown the numbers really increased, especially here at this situation. There were just 3 or 4 dogs here then, and now there's over 40.
What is it that motivated you to feed strays?
Well, I think I started off just by feeding a mummy and some puppies, and then I found more dogs and realised that the dog population was increasing because the dogs weren't being sterilised. So I got involved. I used to volunteer with WAG in Sholim, and I helped them catch dogs for sterilisation. And then about 8 years ago, I went on my own and started doing it by myself.
How many dogs do you feed in a day?
I feed approximately 100 dogs, and I just feed them 3 times a week. Because I feel that they still need to learn how to fend for themselves in between. But I find 3 times a week's enough. If they're injured or sick, I can find them and start their treatment. But if they obviously need medication every day, then I go every day to do it for them.
This is a very good work what you are doing. Many people must be encouraging you to do this, right?
Yeah, I think people encourage me and they respect me for doing it, yes.
But at the same time, there were some people who, even look at it, they criticize some people doing this work.
I think people that criticise it don't particularly like dogs. I'm often quite told to go back to my own country and take the dogs with me. But as you've seen, the dogs are really friendly. Dogs are very clever at sensing the people that don't like them or do like them. And they also remember people that have beaten them or thrown stones at them. Dogs never forget.
Now, feeding so many dogs, 100 dogs, is quite a big number. It must be a tedious job. So how do you manage feeding so many? The cost? Anyone helps you in this?
I get some sponsorship from friends in the UK, but also I'm a seamstress, a self-taught seamstress, and I make shopping bags, tote bags, out of the dog food sacks. I recycle the dog food sacks and cover them in fabric and sell those to help raise funds to feed the dogs.
हे फीडर्स असल्या मोन जातींचे पोट भरतात जांचो कोणूच आसना. आमी असल्या फिडर्सांक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. जर आमी अशीच एकमेकांक आदार करीत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दिस वर्ल्ड वील बी अ बेटर प्लेस फॉर एवरीवन टू लिव्ह. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट साहिल मांद्रेकारा वांगडा अपेक्षा पेडणेकर प्रुडेंटा खातीर.